So welcome to another video that explain my Python collections. So tine different data structures are in Python. My collection and tine 4 main different types. Tine my list, tuple, my dictionary, ne sets. So tichada kuona zvizvi nezvezvizvi. So my list tinokwanisa kustore my values like are different in the same type. For example, unokwanisa store a number, a string, a chinyi, uchizvicollecta zvinezvo into a single place. So a collection, a list collection is ordered and is changeable. By that I mean kuti paunoicreata inopuwa an index value yekuti unokwanisa kuzoreferensa that item in a list. Zvinhu zvacho it's like wazvitora zvinhu zvirinji same position, same place, like wangozvisa mubag something, but zviri in ordered manner yekuti unokwanisa kuzoreferensa kungoti number 6, number 7, chinhu chiri panumber 6 chiri panumber 7 chiri panumber 1 chida kuextracta that thing handiti. So a list is ordered and is changeable handiti. For example, ukada create a list, let's say create a list of numbers. Let's say for example unoshandisa ma-square brackets like this. Let's say kana ari manumber unongoenda let's say 2 woisa comma, woisa 5 woisa comma, woisa 6 woisa comma, woisa 3 woisa comma 2. So you separate different values ari imomo nemacomma. You can also put a string list imomo, munenge mune zvinhu very different. For example, you can put your name and then kana wadaro you can also print this list. Let's say print list taiseta variable anonzi x handiti nematare asaina. Then if we print, you can see this list. Let's say you want to print zvinhu zviri mulist, unoda kuaccessa the first element iri mulist. So zvita tichiti isusu anenge ane maindex. So the first element ine index number 0, the second ine 1, third 2, 3, 4, 5 handiti. So when I print the first element, I print 2, unongoisa square brackets pamberi pa x like this, uvoisa 0. So what access the first is index number 0. So when I'm gonna print that, unofanira kuwana 2 screen like this. So kana print the last element ungona -1 kana usingaziva the last element, which is panache iri independent. A number yaari it's an item of this list yakamira iri yoga. So panache is an item, 2 is an item, 3 is an item. So a list you can store my duplicates again. For example, panapa tine 2 ne2. In another type of collections hazvibvumidzi izvozvo, tichazviona pamberi. Data like for example like access index number 3 coincidentally ina 3 kana iri index number 1 inorana 5. Let's say you want to add something at the end kuno collection ine list ine. So adding is like appending and x.append. Let's say unoda kuadd 6 5 let's say 55 example, andika toda kuita print to show kuti zvaedhiwa here. Andiona list yedu ina 55 patorana toda kunoedzera 55. So tokuti append 55. As you can see there's a 55 over here. Tichaona pamberi apo tinoshandisa sei malist, tichamashandisa mune mamwe maexample mapractical tichashandisa. So kana uchida kubudisa the last element you can pop. For example, tisati taedda 55 totanga tabudisa panache that string, tototi x.pop like pop out, budisa the last element. You see tatanga tabudisa this panache but also add 55. That's why muchisina chinhu. So main operation tatushandisa palist. Pivot taita yatinoti table, at least tati iri ordered and iri changeable, iri modifiable. Then kana usingadi kuda create a collection iri unmodifiable uchasainonzi table. A table yakafanana nelist but inenge iri unmodifiable. Totoshandisa this parenthesis example tone either 2 5 6 and but achiti modify pa list, for example unokwanisa kuno modify the first element unoti x, the first element which is 0 wait a reset, let's say to 5, something like this. First element yako is 5 and another 2 yadibviswa pa 5 but achiti modifiable. But kana iri table ukada kumodify you must get an error, say you want to modify, let's say because my indexing zvangosiyana nezvekuti table iri unmodifiable chete. Say you want to set it to 5, 2 to 5, you see get an error, object that does not support item assignment, you cannot modify a table. So you can access it, you can access, but my values arimo iri ordered again but unmodifiable. Not the difference between here and here. For example when I print the first element on print out 0, it is a 2 and when I print your setup yakadaro which is 2 5 6 and 5 6, but you cannot modify it. That's the difference. But instead you could store data ready richingoenda rakadai so in a linear fashion, tokwanisa kuda store my key value pairs. For example unoda kuseta key inonzi name obva isa zita racho, unopatoshandisa rinonzi dictionary manje. So the dictionary it's like this. Let's say unoda kucreate a dictionary, unocreate let's say variable rakanzi names and anongoti amen or whatever you want to set it, unoisa dict. Unokwanisa kushandisa dict function inouya iri muPython kana washandisa ana curly brackets. Uita key yako inenge iri panapa, key inoiswa mastring kana kunge iri integer, value woisa full colon, unobva kaita value yacho, let's say unoti panache and unoisa comma, unoenda unoisa the second one, let's say une another key yaunoda kuenda futi, let's say unoisa last name and unoenda unoti chi amen panache checks, right? Let's see if we print that dictionary. We want to print names. Yeah, as you print that. Kada access the name key manje, unoda access panache, so unoshandisa futi zvema brackets ubva the key name, start key inonzi name and so panapa tangonoprint this value inonzi panache because the name key ino reference iri kustore the value panache, the last name iri kustore the value jax. So if you print that one, you should get panache on the screen like this, like that.